This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm doing a collab with a lot of women from YouTube, ones that I really like and really adore. They all have such good recipes on YouTube, but this is hosted by Tamara of Southern Wife Everyday Life. The playlist and Tamara's website, her YouTube channel will be in the description box below, plus the recipe for this. I am making old-fashioned corn pudding. Now, I'm not making the kind where you use Jiffy mix. I don't like that. I grew up with this kind of corn pudding that I'm making. Now, my mama started liking the kind with the Jiffy mix, but I never have. And corn pudding is it is one of my favorite side dishes at Thanksgiving, at Christmas. We would take it, I'd take it to family reunions and all kinds of places, and everybody's always seemed to like it. So I'm going to start off with flour. I have to have 5 tablespoons of flour. So I've just got it in here. I'm going to get out 5 of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so there's 5 tablespoons of flour. All right, the next thing, let me get this over here somewhere. All right, I'll put it back here. Well, let me get the top on good before I drop it and it goes everywhere. I'm excited about this collaboration. This is for side dishes for Thanksgiving. So I love fixing side dishes. I'd rather fix side dishes than turkey any day. All right, so now I've got to have sugar, and it's the same amount. It's 5 tablespoons of sugar, and that's not going to stay like should have known. It was all too easy. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go on and add 1 more in here because I'm putting an extra can of corn in here. All right, so I'm going to do 6 tablespoons of sugar. All right, and then I need 3 eggs. I'm going to go on and put those in here. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, and then let me see. Oh, the butter. I got to get the butter out. The butter is, I have it in the microwave and I forgot to get it out. So hold on 1 second. I used a stick of butter, and that goes in here. All right. Oh, and I've got to have some salt. So it says a 1/2 teaspoon of salt in here. So I'm using kosher salt. And there's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, let me see what else. Okay, so the next thing is milk. And I'm going to need about 1/4 of a cup, and I can't remember. I'm just going to do 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm not mistaken, that's 1/4 of a cup. I hope so. All right, now you got to whisk this up really good and get it all mixed up together, because you don't want any clumps in here. All right. Let me see if I can lift y'all up some so you can see down in here. This is going to remind me so much of Thanksgiving today because I'm so excited. I mean, Kayla, my youngest daughter, is going to have Thanksgiving at her house this year, so I don't have to cook. But I already told them if they don't go get their flu shots, they are not going to see me. So, and I mean that. They were supposed to have gotten them by Saturday, but they didn't. So, and I've done told them if they don't get them at least 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, I won't be there. I'll fix my own. All right. Now, the next thing I'm going to put in is I've got Sam's Whole Kernel Sweet Corn. I'm putting in 2 cans of that. All right. All right, and then you need 1 can of cream style corn. And I'm putting in the 1 can of that. And I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. All right, now we're going to stir this up and mix this up really good. My camera's going to go, battery's going to go dead here in a minute. Oh, so I've got to hurry up and plug this in so that I can continue showing y'all what to do. All right, so this is mixed up pretty good. All right, now I've got my casserole dish right here. Let me get this over here. And get a spoon out or a spatula. All right, now I'm going to spray my pan with Pam. Let me stir this up a little bit more, make sure it's all stirred up. And hope that this will fit in this casserole dish. Oh yeah. All right, this is going in the oven on 350, and I will bring y'all back when it's done, and we're going to taste this. I'm going to let Brittany taste it because she's got to tell the truth, though. She's never tasted a corn pudding that she's liked before, so I'm hoping she's going to like this one. So she's going to put this in the oven for me, and I'll let you know how long it took to bake it. All right, bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back with this corn pudding. Got it out of the stove, the oven, and it's been sitting here for about 10 minutes now. It took 1 hour and 15 minutes to cook, and I just wanted y'all to see it. and I'm going to put some on the plate and let Brittany taste it for us and see what she thinks, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, y'all. All right, we're back. All right, so now Brittany, as I told y'all, Brittany has never had any corn pudding that she's liked. She probably won't like this either if she's that picky. I think it's Brittany has a lot of things to texture. Brittany doesn't like the texture of mushrooms, of squash. It's a lot of things that she's told me. Peppers. Is it pepper?
I don't like them cooked. I like peppers raw, but not cooked.
See, I mean, but that's pretty much. She's like, if I don't know if y'all remember that commercial years ago where Mikey eat anything. Brittany will try anything, but so we're gonna see now if Brittany likes this corn pudding. This is one of my favorite dishes for Thanksgiving. So Brittany's gonna taste it now and see if she likes it. Don't lie, neither.
Oh, I won't.
Okay. To me, it just tastes like fresh corn.
It's good, but I don't like the texture. There's something about the texture.
What is the texture of it? I don't get that. I've never been a texture person.
It's like I like corn, but I don't like cream corn.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
So you don't like...
It's good flavor. Really good flavor. It's just mushy texture.
Is it the pudding part of it?
Mm-hmm. The mushiness, I think, is what
because you
me.
like corn.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. I'm eating some as she's eating some.
It's not bad.
And I think, to me, it's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
But, like I said, she's got that... I was scared that she wouldn't eat it, that she wouldn't like it because of the texture. And because it does have... I mean, I guess when you taste it, it is a pudding taste in there. How could I put this? In between the bites of corn, there's pudding. Mm-hmm. And that's what I guess her texture is, which I like that. I like that. I mean, you know, it's also sweet and salty. And I like sweet and salty stuff. Mm-hmm. And I don't think you do you? You don't really?
I do.
Do you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it's the mushy breading or whatever. Soggy kind of, to me, is what it reminds me of.
It's the pudding. But anyway, y'all, this is one of my favorite side dishes for, like I said, for Thanksgiving, Christmas. I always, in the summertime, we used to always take this to family reunions and stuff like that. So give this a try and see if you well, wait a minute now. Let me tell you. If you've got a texture thing, if you've got where you don't like mushrooms and what was the other thing?
I don't like squash.
Oh yeah, squash, cooked squash or whatever. Can you eat? Have you ever had raw squash? A lot of people eat raw zucchini or whatever, and I think in their salads or whatever. But anyway, I don't know. I'll have to try my daughter's boyfriend or whatever, well, her fiance. He doesn't like mushrooms either. And he said it's a texture thing. So I'm going to have to, at Thanksgiving, get him to... I mean, I don't think I've ever paid any attention to it on Thanksgiving to where I would know whether he liked it or not. I know he loves corn, so I would think he would like this, but I don't know.
I think either you like the corn pudding or you don't. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. I mean, I've tried it before and I didn't like it. I thought that I would like it if you made it because I like everything you cook, but I just don't think I like corn pudding.
This is just, this to me, I just love corn. I love corn. Corn is one of my favorite vegetables or whatever. And so, but anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also there'll be things listed below that like things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase from Amazon. There's no extra cost. It's the same as if you were going to Amazon. It's just that I've found these things on Amazon and I use them. There's also things that companies have sent me that to do a review on, and I've done the review and they give me a code for y'all to get anywhere from 10 to 25% off. So anyway, I will talk to you later and you have a good day. Bye.